Master lock 911. Police lock, I guess. Here's the bitting and the key. 5 pin, maybe 6. Can't tell. Here it is. It works. Heavy spring tension, and you have to pull out the shackle for it to work. Locked up. Use the bottom of the keyway tension with a Sparrow Euro hook. Hopefully, it's my go-to pixel. A lot of clicking, but no movement of the core. I'm gonna restart here. Three, two, one, 4. There we go. We got it open. And I have to pull it open. Alright, so let's see if we can take it apart one video. Nope. Looks like I need to get an Allen key, so we'll do the gutting tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.